Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and here in the search field we should enter Muviz Edge app, and we should get this first application because unfortunately our device have now installed by default the AOD feature. That's why we'll use the Muviz Edge application to do that. So now let's open the app here and click draw our apps. After that, find here the Muviz Edge application and click once on this swatcher. After that, just go back to the application, select AOD and select one from these tabs. For example, let's apply this one. Now just let's lock our smartphone, and we can see that always on display feature successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.